Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to find message requests on Gmail using your PC. This new update makes it easier to manage your chats, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your inbox page. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on New Chat. This will bring up more messaging options. Here's the crucial step. Find and click on Message Requests. This section shows any messages from people who aren't in your contacts. It's a great way to discover new conversations and keep track of important messages you might have missed. Once you're in the Message Requests section, you can easily review each request. You'll have the option to accept or ignore these messages, helping you stay organized while connecting with new people. And that's it. You've successfully found your message requests on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.